My name is Dmitry Lipinski, and I'm the founder of Do-It-Yourself Ad Freaks. Who are the Ad Freaks? We are a group of hard-working entrepreneurs who are not afraid to fire the so-called marketing experts and try to do it ourselves. Instead of spending our marketing budgets on expensive agencies, monthly subscriptions, and SEO experts' empty promises with zero results, we are taking our marketing and branding into our own hands. We build our brands, bravely throw ourselves online, learn how to be our own spokesperson and create our own future. We experiment with our ads by spending our own marketing dollars and split test everything because we believe no one knows our business and our customers better than we do. As entrepreneurs, we're used to hard work, and learning new things excites us. It all pays off in the end. We are motivated by real results and real savings. We've helped the startup companies compete with the big established brands on the budget. We are the most affordable solution to a huge problem, wasting marketing dollars on stuff that simply doesn't work. We are Do-It-Yourself Ad Freaks, and this is our channel.